So Jace, you gonna go down, go feed chickens, and check the egg mobile, and tonight we'll close it up and move it tomorrow. Sound like a plan? Plan. All right, hey Sam, say good morning. Hey, we're gonna go down. What we're gonna do? We're gonna go check on the cows, right? That what we're gonna do? Let's go. Let's go towards the cows. Let's roll. Come on. And last night about 2 o'clock, I heard there was a mama cow. She was mooing constantly. Heard one of the calves hollering a little bit. So got up, got dressed, came out here. It was a really full moon. So I could see really good, but whatever, if the I guess the calf had gotten separated from mama in the middle of the night somehow, but by the time I got down here and we're checking on them, they had got back together. So hey, that's the way it goes sometimes. That's a lot easier for me for sure. The chicks are about 2 weeks old now. They're in the brooder. They'll be there for maybe another week at the most. I usually don't leave them in there any longer than 3 weeks, but I'll show you the chicken tractor. It's already out on pasture. I'll show you that right quick. There is one of the chicken tractors that we had. It's right where we left it after we processed the last time. So we'll probably use that one and pick up right where we left off and just kind of keep going with the chicken shelter out there. This is what we use right here for the portable electric fencing that we use to create the paddocks. So we have here a direct current, DC current charger there right here, and just hooked to a deep cycle battery with a ground rod, as you can see right here. It's connected to a hot wire that runs along the top of our fence, and then we just tie the cross fencing in to that hot wire with a little jumper wire. So that's what we use to create the paddocks for our cows. What that used to be? Yeah. We found that at a Samuel. We found that at the recycling center. We brought that home from the recycling center to play with. All right, Jace, tell us about chickens.
Well, there's only 2 down there, but I guess the rest were hiding in the trees.
Yeah, they were probably hiding. We've had to tell them about what happened yesterday.
Well, yesterday we had a hawk attack, and thankfully only one of them was dead. So.
We've had problems, haven't we, with the hawks, and so our chicken population, our laying hens, are way down. We've just had a lot of our flock has gotten older, and so some of them have died, some of them we've lost through hawk attacks. But so we're going to be, our egg supply is really down right now, but we've got a source from a local friend who's got some pullets they want to sell us so we can get back into the full swing of things with the chickens.
Don't put it at me.
Is it cold this morning, Jace?
It's freezing.
It's freezing? Nah, I think it's 43 degrees this morning. Is what it said. That's freezing, huh? Okay.
For South Carolina weather, that's freezing.
All right, Jace, tell us about your shop right here. Speak up loud so I can hear you.
Well, this is is what I call, well, it was originally a little playhouse that I had built, and it was originally, as you can see, Sunbeam, but this is the first sign. And then we started playing in here, and so I was like, okay, I'll just turn it into what I want it to be. And so I have my sign down there.
Yep.
And that is
So it's Marvel Industries. Can you tell these kids like Avengers?
Mm-hmm. And I've made a few other things like Thor's hammer and Captain America's shield and different things like that.
So you built these tables yourself too, right? These tables, that table right here, this table right here, y'all built that one. And I want to say you built this one here too. Yep, built that table there.
That's Samuel's little place right there.
Very cool, very cool. Good place to play. It's a little chilly outside and it's a little warmer in this building. So.
Especially with the light there.
So as I mentioned earlier, Jace was telling y'all that we lost a chicken yesterday to a hawk attack, and what I didn't get on video was Jace, middle son. He's 11. He brought the chick back, and or the laying hen, and he buried it in our mulch pile. I'll put a picture of it here next so you can see it. I didn't capture it on video, but I think it's a life lesson that I think my kids are learning early. That things die, animals die. They die through natural means. They die from predators, natural predators, such as the hawks. In our case here, with the laying hens and a pastured model, that's just going to happen. But they also die when we kill them to process them, to eat them, because we do process our own chickens right here on the farm. Our meat birds, we process them. So. It happens. Death is a part of the process here, and so I think it's teaching them a valuable lesson at a young age that they know that that's the way it is. That's what happens, and so I'll put a picture up there of this, but you'll see Jace burying the chicken yesterday in the mulch pile. So. Well, thank y'all for watching today. This is we'll keep posting some regular videos, let you know what's going on at the farm. Come see us, Triple J Farm. You see it right there. See our farm store on Saturdays, 10 to 12, 10 to 2. Sorry, 10 to 2 on Saturday. And y'all come see us. Take care.